Now, clear and cool to kick off your Saturday morning. Really pleasant morning conditions if you want to head out for that early morning walk or stroll. Bring a sweater with you, though, because we are starting off cool. We're going to be dealing with mostly sunny skies today. Breezy conditions going to be lingering, and a warm up is on the way. Those daytime highs will eventually be hitting the low 90s. But as I mentioned, it's a cool start to your day. We're hitting 53 degrees right now near the airport, 54 for Boulder City, Anthem at 46 this morning, and Mount Charleston at 29 degrees. Those highs today will be hitting the mid 70s for many neighborhoods. For Lake Mead, that hits 71, 75 near Harry Reid International Airport, and mid 50s today for our local mountains. So planning out your day, expect those sunny skies to stick around. North winds by 9 a.m. already hitting 13 miles per hour. That continues through the afternoon. So again, don't rule out the gusts up to 20 miles per hour today, landing in the low 70s by around 1 o'clock and mid 70s hitting by the afternoon. We'll see those temperatures tumbling right back down into the low 60s by 2 a.m. So worth a light sweater for any late night dinner plans or anything that you may have happening. We'll see those wind speeds tapering off for the early morning hours as we kick off your Sunday, but another breezy day again tomorrow. This is really going to be impacting the Colorado River Valley. We'll start to see those winds pick up even more by tomorrow through those regions, Boulder City, Laughlin, as well as portions through the Lake Mead region. So with that, we're going to see dry conditions, hot conditions for some regions, and those gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So a fire weather warning will be in place through those regions from the early morning hours of your Sunday through the evening. That'll be expiring by 6 o'clock tomorrow. The next 3 days, we'll start to see those winds tapering off by Monday. And as wind speeds start to die down, our temperatures will start to warm up. Today and tomorrow we're below average. By Monday, we're hitting 84. That's 4 degrees above average. And the warm up continues from there. So until then, tomorrow's wind closer to 10-15 miles per hour, gusts up to 25 in the Vegas Valley. By Monday, as kids are heading to school, watch for more cloud cover. Those temperatures are going to hit 77 as you head for pickup, and those wind speeds nice and light for us. But by Tuesday, more cloud cover, warmer conditions, and breezy conditions return. Still likely going to be a nice pool day with those daytime highs landing 10 degrees above average, and we'll stay warmer than average through the rest of the week. Rachel. Welcome back and good morning, Las Vegas. Right now, our temperatures are starting out in the upper 50s. We're quite a bit warmer than what we were dealing with just this time yesterday by about 7 degrees or so. And humidity has dropped significantly for a dry weekend. Northwest winds sustained right around 15 miles per hour. So we're dealing with cool temperatures and breezy conditions. It's worth a light sweater as you head out the door. We're going to see those wind speeds continue to stay strong through the Colorado River Valley today. Those will really start to increase as we work towards the afternoon. Later on today, we're going to have a lake wind advisory and a red flag warning in place. So while breezes stay below advisory level for the Las Vegas region, this is going to be the spot where you're going to see concerns. We could see those gusts upwards of 35 to 40 miles per hour for spots through Mojave County. And when you're dealing with that, and low humidity, areas through northeast Arizona already dealing with wildfires, so this brings some fire danger. Good idea to watch those cigarette butts. We're also having a lake wind advisory. This one not going to impact Lake Mead as much as it would Lake Havasu. We're going to see those wind speeds closer to 15 miles per hour, but still gusts potentially up to 20 miles per hour through Lake Mead regions today. Temperatures landing in the upper 70s under lots of sunshine. It is a nice warm spring day ahead for us, so if you're looking for that cooler air, Mount Charleston is your spot. We're going to see those temps staying in the low 40s through about 9 a.m., landing in the upper 50s by this afternoon. So by 3 o'clock, we're watching for 52 degrees. Highs today throughout our Vegas Valley, closer to the mid to upper 70s. These temperatures are about 2 degrees or so below what's considered average. 85 for Laughlin, 78 for Pahrump, and 75 for those higher elevation neighborhoods like Anthem. So we'll see those low 70s by around lunchtime. That's when we were seeing those sustained winds at 15 miles per hour. Really similar to what we saw yesterday, just warmer. Air quality forecast looking good today and moderate tomorrow. We are going to see the pollen levels start to die down as we work into the work week. It'll still be a moderate to high levels of pollen expected. Overnight, we're falling back into the low to mid 50s. These cool temperatures likely to kick off your Monday morning before those highs tomorrow land in the 80s. We're looking at 82 degrees for Anthem, 83 for Henderson, as well as Pahrump, 64 for our local mountains tomorrow, and 90s for those lower elevation spots like Laughlin. So planning out your day, we are going to hang on to those northeast winds once again through the afternoon. Lots of sunshine, kind of a copy and paste day each day, but we're tacking on more and more warmth. So those 90-degree temperatures, 10 degrees above average by Tuesday and Wednesday, but we're staying above average through the rest of the week. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday going to be landing in the upper 80s. Rachel?